Just like driving at night, visibility is greatly reduced when driving in weather that's not ideal. First, let's take a look at driving in the rain. Most people drive the same in every weather condition, subconsciously out of habit. When it's raining, you'll need to adjust your thinking, stay alert and focused on what's going on around you. Turn on those headlights. It's the law in all states to turn on headlights when visibility is low, and many states require having the headlights on when the windshield wipers are in use. Make sure your taillights are also on, which sometimes isn't the case with your daytime running lights. Beware of hydroplaning. That's the technical term for what occurs when your tires are getting more traction on the layer of water on the road than on the road itself. This results in your car sliding uncontrollably. It's easy enough to hydroplane. All you need is 1/12 of an inch of rain on the road and a speed of more than 35 miles per hour. If you start to hydroplane, let off the accelerator slowly and steer straight until you regain control. Hydroplaning can also happen on roads that are rutted from wear, where low areas frequently hold water. Rain. In rainy conditions, turn off cruise control. Ironically, on rain or snow-slick surfaces, cruise control may cause you to lose control. You might think it'll help you stay at one steady speed, but if you hydroplane while you're in cruise control, your car will go faster. Slow down. Speed is a factor in about a third of all vehicle crashes, and maintaining a safe speed is critical when it's raining. Speed limit signs are designed for ideal conditions, and that's hardly the environment you're driving in when it's raining. Let up on the accelerator and allow more time to get to your destination. In extremely heavy rain, pull over to a safe place to park, stop, and wait it out. Use your hazard lights when parked so other cars can see you. Fog. In foggy conditions, turn on the low beams. Day or night, headlights should be on and set to low beam. Avoid using your high beams in fog because it will decrease your visibility. With this in mind, trying to pass another vehicle, especially on two-lane roadways, could prove fatal. Drive slowly and leave an extra space cushion. And in extremely foggy conditions, avoid driving altogether. If your windows get fogged, turn on your front and rear defoggers and the air conditioner to clear it up quickly. Snow. In snowy conditions, clean off the roof, all windows, mirrors, and lights on your vehicle before you start your trip. This will avoid ice flying off the car, which could pose a potential hazard to other drivers. Be cautious of debris flying around, especially from the roof of large vehicles. Be wary of bridges and roads that ice over quickly. If you get caught on an icy hill, try using your car's first or second gear. These gears are generally labeled D1 or D2 on an automatic vehicle. Pack and store an emergency kit in your trunk or cargo area with items you could use in the event of a roadside situation. Include items like water, protein bars, and a flashlight. Tailor it to the weather in your area. Maybe you'll never need an ice scraper or a battery-powered fan. Add or subtract items from the list that you know you'll need where you're traveling. Although these tips will help you navigate the storms, the safest advice is to avoid driving in bad weather conditions. People will understand, and nothing is more important than your safety.